here we have a sculpture made of the components that we created for the Urchin Cafe here at Place Glenouedo. So you may know, you may have been, you may have seen it. It's a very large 11-metre dome structure in the shape of a sea urchin, but its surface is all encrusted with 89,000 individually made stainless steel barnacles, of which there's 5 different designs within it to help tessellate over the curvature of the piece. So this perfect sphere of barnacles represents that. If you like, it's a test piece. It's incredibly tough, yet very lightweight, and it's in the exhibition because it is a connection, of course, to the cafe and all of our work done there. So it's part of the legacy, really, of this and the gateway here on Llyn. And so I'm very proud to put this in the exhibition, as well as hopefully people will go next door and enjoy the cake and coffee in the cafe that we've created.